If you've been thinking about creating TikTok videos for your business or you've been creating those TikTok videos, but you're like, I don't understand. How do these things get me views if I don't have any or many followers? Is it just because the TikTok algorithm pushes them out like mad? And where do people find them? Like, is it just from the For You page that I get views? Because if that's the case, that feels so random. I'm an entrepreneur, so I need more certainty and sales, of course, so random doesn't do it for me. Well, if any to all of these thoughts sound like they're coming from you and you're confused about why this is such a great opportunity for you in your business, well, then this video is for you. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm going to answer the question, how do TikTok videos get views? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Okay, so here's all of the places where your TikTok videos can get views and how you can tilt the odds more in your favor so that the right kind of viewers are going to see your content and give you the conversions you need for your business to succeed. And those macro conversions, sure, start with you getting more followers on TikTok, but you can't deposit followers in the bank. So how do you get people to get onto your email list and, most importantly, to buy from you? It's by getting, like I said, the right kind of views. So the first place you'll likely get views for your TikTok videos, especially when you're new or a small creator on the TikTok platform, is place #1, the For You page, of course. Well, duh, of course, when someone logs into the app or returns to it and they go to their home page, they're going to see the following and For You options. And they can go scrolling through the For You page for as long as their heart's desire. That's where your video will likely be served up for a time to viewers who may be from all walks of life, whether they're your ideal customers or not. Sure, over time, as you carefully curate your audience, the TikTok algorithm is going to be more likely to serve your newest video out on the For You page of users who fit more into your audience. But in the beginning, there's not too much data for the algorithms to work off of. And if you haven't been careful about curating an audience from your very first video or at all ever, so far anyway, then the TikTok algorithm just has a messy bunch of data to work with. So it's going to serve up your video, yes, on the For You page, and you may get some traction with whomever sees it, or you won't. But you're an entrepreneur and that sounds too random to you, and it is. You don't want to leave things to chance when you're going for views, and you want the right kind of views from people who are your ideal customer, of course, who might buy from you today or tomorrow when they're ready, willing, and able to buy from you. Otherwise, this whole TikTok thing makes zero sense to you. I don't blame you if that's how you feel. So let's move on to place #2, in search. If you optimize every single one of your TikTok videos properly, you'll have your videos come up in search for every hashtag that you can fit into your TikTok video's caption. So say you put 10 hashtags in your video's caption, you can easily be found up to 10 different ways in search. Plus, if you're strategic about it, the keywords or the words you otherwise put in the caption will help each TikTok video to be properly indexed to be pulled up in search as well on the platform itself. Think about it. The algorithms on that platform take every single data point into consideration when they go about doing their digital matchmaking on TikTok. If you're an entrepreneur and your approach isn't algorithmically focused, it's like you're throwing spaghetti against the wall. Your organic content marketing is messy and a waste of time. So honestly, through keywords and hashtags, you can have your content be pulled up in search by your ideal customer who's searching for content that has to do with exactly what each of your TikTok videos are all about. TikTok absolutely is a social media search engine, so you should treat it like one. All someone has to do is tap the discover icon on the bottom of their screen on that bottom tray, and boom, they're taken to a search box just like anywhere else they can go. And now that the TikTok user base is skewing more adult users than youth or kid users, you better bet that adults are searching up for the content they want to see. And that's often content that can help them get out of pain and into pleasure. And it's not just through singing and dance and entertainment-based videos. Tip, trick, and technique videos are getting very popular right now on the platform. So as an entrepreneur, you can make those videos, have them star in your, products or services. Or of course, you, if you're a coach, course creator, some other type of service provider. And wham, you come up in search of people who are looking for solutions to their problems. And you and your offerings increasingly become the solution to those problems. And they come to know, like, and trust you and your brand more, which means you're more likely to get sales from these more qualified leads. Just make sure that you're using keywords that are specific and not general, or you'll be buried in search in minutes on TikTok. And remember, general keywords and hashtags mean general admission. Everyone comes into the mix. Your ideal customer isn't everyone. It's a very specific person with a very specific problem, and your products and services are very specific solutions that are custom tailored for that type of person. They're more likely to buy from you when that's the case, and they'll even be willing to pay more money for a custom tailored solution too. It's a win-win. So yes, create TikTok videos, and yes, optimize them with specific and narrowed down keywords and hashtags. And no, you may not have millions of followers overnight, but yes, over time, not even a lot of time right now on TikTok, you'll get followers who are your potential customers. So you're never about worshiping quantity in terms of followers, but quality. Think about that, and you'll get more sales in the end. Yes, even on TikTok. It's not views you're going for, it's the right type of views for the right type of profit margin. So now I want to hear from you. Are you going to be creating TikTok videos now for your business, or at least will you be creating more TikTok videos from now on? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer to the question of how do TikTok videos get views? Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you some more great content marketing strategies.